Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Govee to Google Home using an iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure of three things. First, your Govee are already set up in the Gov Home app. Second, the Google Home app is installed on your iPhone. And third, both apps are logged in using the same Google account and connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, let's get started. First, open the Google Home app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the plus icon. Next, tap Setup Device. Then tap Works with Google. You will now see a list of smart home services. In the search bar at the top, type Gov and tap on it. Google will now ask you to sign in to your Gov account. Enter your email and password, then allow permissions. After a few seconds, Google Home will automatically find your Gov lights. Once they appear, tap Continue. Now choose a room for your Gov lights like bedroom or living room and tap Next. You can also rename the light if you want, and that's it. Your Gov lights are now connected to Google Home on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.